5 circumstances where drinking Ensure will not lead to gain weight. Let's discover the common but surprising scenarios where Ensure won't add pounds. Number 1. When you consume Ensure in moderation within recommended amounts. Number 2. When you have Ensure as part of a balanced diet. Number 3. When you combine Ensure with regular exercise. Number 4. When you drink Ensure as a meal replacement. Number 5. When you avoid high-calorie snacks with Ensure supplementation. Now the question is, what is your experience of adding Ensure into your lifestyle? Share with us below.